What's up, Shabs? Hirap na hirap ka na ba? Kakaisip kung ano yung sasabihin mo sa video mo, or you have a script but you don't know how to make it properly? In this video, tuturuan ko kayo about the importance of making a script and how to make a script. So better watch this video until the end. By the way, my Shabs, I'm Yuwhie, your way to know more, and welcome to my channel. Let's talk about first the importance of script when making a video, or what would be the benefits of having a script. Script writing streamlines the whole video creation process and help plan things away ahead. It organizes your thoughts into instruction outline and reduce the line wasted on unnecessary things. So I list down 5 reasons why you should never start your video creation without a script. First on the list, the script play a major role in getting the entire production team on the same wavelength. Through that, you and your team know what to do step by step. So, you must have a blueprint of your script. Second on the list is, it reduces the number of retakes. Sino ba naman ang gustong magpaulit-ulit ng sinasabi? Walang perfect, pero kung paulit-ulit, bukod na nakakawalang gana na, nakaka-stress pa. Third on the list, help visualize how the video will look like. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko on my previous video, kapag gumagawa ako ng script, natutulungan ako nito na ma-visualize kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari at kung ano yung magiging layout ng video ko. Fourth on the list, help the speaker avoid unnecessary rant. Of course, dahil nga may script ka na, sure ka na na tama lahat ng gusto mong i-deliver. So, hindi mo na kailangan magdagdag ng mga salitang hindi mo naman kailangan. Last on the list, it saves a time wasted on unnecessary edits. Because you already have a script, you know what to do, you know what to say, so it makes easier to edit. Most of the YouTube video that require a script are informational video, while this could be how-to videos, tutorials, and instructional video, like what I have on my channel. So it is important to ask yourself these 5 basic questions before you start writing your script. First question, who is your target audience? Second, what do they need? Third, what message do you want to deliver? Fourth, what kind of emotion do you want to convey? And fifth, what kind of action do you expect from your audience after watching your video? Once you have the right answer to this question, you can now start making your script. Now, how to make a video script? Tandaan, ang goal ng paggawa ng video script ay para mapadali ang paggawa ng isang video. So, nasa sayo na yon kung gagawa ka ng detailed script or minimal script. Ayos lang yon, as long as you serve the purpose of the video. Unang dapat gawin, identify your audience. Alamin mo kung sino yung audience mo at kung ano ang mga kailangan nila. Deciding on these basic things will help you set your language, tone, pace, and length of the video. Dalawang dapat gawin, brainstorming. Now, this is very important. Take 15 minutes or so and write down every idea that comes to your mind. Once you are done, flesh out a few of them that align with your objectives. Lang dapat gawin, determine your narrative and emotion. The narrative will help you decide how your story should flow. Pang-apat na dapat gawin, identify your keywords for your topic. Kapag na-list down mo na lahat ng iyong ideas, it's time for you to validate them. The idea here is to get a bunch of keywords that are popular with good search volume. Nag-iisip ka na ba where you can get keywords ideas? Here are 3 ways. First option, Google Trends. Google Trend is one of the most reliable platforms of identifying popular search trends on Google. Can also be used on YouTube. Second option, YouTube suggestion. This is another wonderful way to identify the keywords for free. It is very similar to Google Suggest. When you type your search terms into YouTube search box, it will show you a relevant queries, and these queries are generated on what people are searching worldwide. They become excellent source to find the right keywords. Third option, SEO tools. The SEO tools can be used to determine the search volume and the difficulty of the selected keywords, although they provide a detailed insight on the other metrics such as impression, bounce rate, and clicks. And now, panglima na dapat mong gawin, write an outline. This is where you actually starting writing. This will help you decide on the structure and flow of the video. Then, before you finish, check whether you covered all the relevant topics. Pang-anim na dapat mong gawin, divide your script into section and start writing. Here's what a solid draft will contain. Hook. It is very important to have an impression hook, as that is what grabs viewers' attention and keeps them watching till the end. It could be a brief summary of what the video is about, an attention-grabbing line, an eye-catching visual, or a short teaser. Intro. This section comes right after the hook. You can introduce yourself, show an example, give viewers a small glimpse of what the video is about. Next is content. This will be the most detailed part of the script. Make sure you include all the necessary points that have to be addressed. But do not make it too lengthy. People have really short attention span nowadays, so you don't want people to get bored and leave. And lastly, call to action. At the end of the video, it's very important to put all necessary call to action. Pang-pito na dapat mong gawin, edit, format, revise, and repeat. Once you are done writing your script, give it a thorough read and start editing, cutting, rearranging it if it's not up to the mark. If you feel writing things that don't align with your goals, try removing them. Pang-walo na dapat mong gawin, get feedback. Once you are done writing and editing your script, it is very important to run it through somebody who wasn't involved in the writing and editing process. It could be your friend, colleagues, or siblings. If you are going through any trouble about YouTube video, watch this video for you to know that you are not alone. You can relate to this video and it will help you as well. Thank you for watching, my shops. Ciao!